Hey guys, it's Ambo from Stractors again with a new video, and today I'm gonna show you how to get your Solana NFT collection listed on marketplaces like Magic Eden. As Magic Eden is currently the most popular marketplace, we will of course try to list our collection there. Yeah, there are other marketplaces such as SOLANA, but the application process is very similar to what we are doing now. And I can already spoiler you that it is a really short process and very fast. Leave a like to support us and subscribe to the channel to not miss the latest videos. I know many are too lazy for these 2 clicks, but only with that we can be supported by the YouTube algorithm. Also watch out for the staking ultimate guide, which will be the next video. Okay guys, let's get started. We are on Magic Eden right now, and under the tab Creators we can see apply for listing and apply for Launchpad. Let me explain the Launchpad first, as we're not gonna need it. Launchpad is simply about Magic Eden taking on the role of your minting site and marketing of your project. That means you can concentrate on other things in a project. That sounds good of course, but getting in should be difficult, and Magic Eden will now look even harder at the applicants after the incident with the Balloonsville rug. For our project we simply need the listing of our collection, therefore we go for that form. As you can see, there's a little warning that it might take a bit, but I can already say that in our case it only took some hours to list our project. Yeah, just fill in your project name. In our case, Stractors Pixel. Have you or someone else applied for this collection? Nope. Email address is very important, as we're gonna contact you on that mail. Yeah, Discord ID, you can get it like this. Just open Discord and click on your username and it will copy it as the artwork in your collection, profile picture and banner, either your original artwork. Yeah, I'm the author. Is your artwork a derivative of the artwork on any other blockchain? Nope. On what date did this sell out? Yeah, 2 days ago. Are you ready for this collection to be listed on? Yes, it's already sold out. And yeah, maybe it's important to say that there's the possibility to apply for this listing when your mint is still going on. Okay, now put your Twitter link in there. And yeah, don't forget the HTTPS. Also your Discord server invite, therefore just open Discord and under the banner invite people. Edit this link, that is really important, and set the expire after to never. Now copy your invitation link and paste it there. Now you can put any other links there, of course, like we have a YouTube channel. You can also add your website or something else you have. Short description of the project. Now it's really important that you can only put in 160 chars, therefore use a character counter for your text. And one important thing is that the text you're putting in will not be the final text on your listing. You can change the text later. It's only for Magic Eden now. Okay, now it's about to choose the categories. We have profile pictures, games, art, virtual worlds, music, photography or sports. In our case, we want to only get listed under art. Did you use Candy Machine? Yes, we did. Now it's about the verified creator ID. Therefore, just open Soul Scan, search for your project. Stractors Pixel. Just open a random NFT of your collection and you will find under creator to public wallets. Yeah, just copy the one above and you're good to go. Did you or will you use Candy Machine V1 or V2? And we used V2, of course. V1 is already deprecated. And now it's about the mint list, the hash list of your mints. Therefore we're using this little tool here. All you need to do is to put in your verified creator ID you just got and click on get hash list. This might take some minutes. We got the hash list here. Just export it and attach it. Now it's about the profile picture of your collection. Make sure that it's only 500 x 500. Last but not least, put in the number of your NFTs, total items. And this part is optional. It's for Magic Eden. You can tell something about you or your project. And finally, you just have to submit it. That's it. You will get this kind of message. And they tell you it can take a while, but in our case it really took only some hours. Just open it, put in your email. You don't have to choose a password or something else. You will get an extra link. Just have to click on it it will sign in you automatically. And when you signed in, all you have to do is now just to create a new collection, the button on the right side. And basically you have to just fill in your data, the same data you already filled in the form. Therefore, there's really nothing new. It's the same process. Only difference is that you can, for example, write more about your project and yeah, submit that, and all you're gonna do now is wait for the next email from Magic Eden. This is the email we just got. It's telling us that our listing was accepted. Yeah, and now we can find Strictest Pixel on Magic Eden. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and now leave a like, join our Discord community, and stay tuned for the ultimate staking guide. See ya!